Here are 3 easy salad recipes. Caprese salad. 2 large tomatoes, sliced. 8 ounces fresh mozzarella, sliced. 1/4 cup fresh basil leaves. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. Salt and pepper to taste. Arrange the tomato and mozzarella slices on a plate, alternating them. Sprinkle fresh basil leaves on top. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and season with salt and pepper. Greek salad. 2 cups chopped romaine lettuce. 1/2 cup chopped cucumber. 1/2 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 1/4 cup sliced red onion. 1/4 cup crumbled feta cheese. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. Salt and pepper to taste. In a large bowl, mix together lettuce, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and feta cheese. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, and oregano. Pour the dressing over the salad and season with salt and pepper. Fruit salad. 1 cup chopped pineapple. 1 cup sliced strawberries. 1 cup cubed watermelon. 1 cup blueberries. 1/4 cup fresh mint leaves. 2 tablespoons honey. 1 tablespoon lime juice. In a large bowl, mix together pineapple, strawberries, watermelon, and blueberries. Add fresh mint leaves. In a small bowl, whisk together honey and lime juice. Drizzle the dressing over the fruit salad and mix to combine. Serve chilled.